is off to the races. LJ plays it in. He gets it back against his former college teammate. Torres, that's a three. Grabe yung bawi dito ng San Juan. Sandagon, the kick out. Banal for three. That's good. Palobo ang pasa. No look pass to Sandagon. He'll lay it in for two. Torres, Abundo gets it back, gets a running start.
They're gonna go back to Cyrus.
Torres, another three. It's good. With the offensive rebound. Abundo launches the three. It's good. Let's see Panganiban. Balik muna kay LJ. 3 seconds to work with. Gonzalez attacking. LJ. List up. Judel Fuentes. No look pass to Gab Banal. That's a three. Banal, Sandagon. Layup is good.
No call, and it's a 3-point play. Now it's a 17-point lead.